Hi, this is the Google Pixel Fold and today I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. First, open the Settings application and then tap to the Wallpaper and Style. Click here to change wallpaper, and you could use photo from your device gallery or today just to use different default wallpapers from your device. So just let's select one from the available wallpapers. You could see here the preview. Tap Set Wallpaper on the right upper corner and select Lock Screen. Now let's just wait a couple of seconds. Wallpaper set successfully, so let's just lock the device, and we could see here that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just let's try. Hold first home screen with your finger and tap to the wallpapers and style. In the same way, tap to change wallpaper and select one from the available photos. Set wallpaper, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.